Course 6611, Computer Information Systems. In this course, you will apply problem-solving skills to real-life situations through word processing, spreadsheets, databases, multimedia presentations, and integrated software activities. We will utilize the Microsoft Office applications of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint in this course. Students will work individually and in groups to explore computer concepts, operating systems, networks, telecommunications, emerging technologies, and career opportunities related to the information technology field. The goal in this course is to obtain a Microsoft Office Specialist certification, primarily in Word. I will also show you the similarities between Google applications and Microsoft applications, as well as cloud-based storage in OneDrive through Microsoft. By taking Computer Information Systems, you are eligible to participate in the Future Business Leaders of America Club. You also have an opportunity to enroll as a cooperative education student if you wish to hold a job while you are in school. Enrollment in cooperative education allows you to earn an additional credit for the COE portion of the component. The other credit would be for computer information systems, so it's sort of like getting 2 credits in one for the course and one for your work-based learning experience and accompanying activities. Let's work together to help you learn to use the tools most utilized in the workplace and develop skills employers are seeking today. Sign up for Computer Information Systems.